let's see what I got. Oh my gosh. It's Mike Wazowski. Oh my gosh, guys. I seriously love Mike Wazowski so much. And I got a little mini one. Look at, I have like a stuffed animal of him up there. I was even him for Halloween. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Alright guys, I gotta go get dressed. See you later. Alright guys, I'm walking to the bus stop, and you know how the other day I was talking about how freezing it was? It was like 30, and now it's gonna be 60 later. Right now it's like 50 something. It's gonna be 60. So yeah, it's winter. Yeah, that they're like talking about how it's gonna be freezing this winter. Like, what? Okay, whatever. I don't even care anymore. I mean, I just want it to snow a lot because I love snow. But whatever. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, I just got off the bus and it is so nice out. Like, it is 60 like I said, but it is so windy. I feel like it's about to storm. It was windier like a couple minutes ago when I was walking, like going on my bus, but whatever. I have a little bit of homework. Technically it's not due tomorrow, but I'm just gonna do it now. And yeah, I don't know. Ooh, look at the sky, looks pretty. Ow. Just walking to my house. Ugh. And it's so nice out. Like, oh my gosh. Hey guys, I'm about to go to gymnastics. I did all my homework, I ate dinner, and now I'm about to go to gymnastics. Today is crazy Christmas sock day or whatever, I don't know. But I'm going to show you what socks I'm wearing. I'm wearing these Santa socks. Have Santa's face on it with a little red nose, and it's soft. So that's what I'm going to be. I'm going to be wearing these socks. And then I'm going to put my Leo on. Just this purple one. And I have these new Nike Pros. So I'm going to go get ready. And I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, I get to open 21. I didn't even show you guys this. I decorated all this. So I'm going to be opening 21 because there's only 21 days. Can you guys find it? Because I don't see it. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Alright, what do you guys think this is? I think it's a snowman with a hat on or something like that. Oh my gosh, I can't even get it out. Okay. I was right. It was a snowman with a hat. I'll plug in my Christmas tree. I really don't even like milk chocolate that much. But the like little ones inside of this are actually pretty good. But they always make me thirsty. So I gotta go get some water. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, I just got back from gymnastics and it is like super windy. I can't get over how cute this is, first of all. Like, I mean, this is adorable. But it is so windy outside, guys. Just listen. Okay, I'm going to show you my cacti. I don't know if you can hear that, but here is Pete and Lily. Yes, I need my cacti. And then here is Bob, my other plant. And then my pet grass is over there, if you can even see it. And that is Elliot. Don't even ask. The names don't make sense, really. But this vlog isn't very long, and I'm sorry about that. But I'm not going to bore you to death with random things. So I just decided to put some stuff in it, and I Didn't even realize how late it actually is. It's almost 9:30, so I gotta go get this vlog uploaded. So look at this dude. He's pretty cool. He like, okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.